My name's Carly. I'm a parent of a student at Highgrove who's just finished their GCSEs. You go into a Google search, don't you? And then you get some results, and then you do some more research, and then you start to sort of really see some options come forward more than others. And I think when we were looking at 2 or 3 options. Highgrove was attractive because of its academic focus. Students who really want to learn, who are really enthusiastic about their subject, can really get a lot from Highgrove. My son's really interested in English. His English teachers are amazing, constantly recommending books. I couldn't possibly recommend enough books. These resources are really good at indulging their interests. It's like a traditional school in any sense where you follow a timetable. Everyone's online, in the UK at least, at 8 a.m. Lessons start. Once a week there's an assembly, there's coaching, there's house meetings. It's a school that you would know like any other, except you are online. For us particularly, it's a really good community around the school, really kind, caring, warm, really supportive, the students and the teachers. Everybody wants everyone else to do really well, so who wouldn't want to be part of a community like that?